Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Mira from K-pop Demon Hunter with this golden outfit and dress impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit and I'm going to show you how we can create this outfit. Okay, first of all guys, for the hair, you can choose this hair from the Madoka set and then you're going to make it stiff and you can color it with this pink color. Okay, and then you're going to choose this hair, and for the toggle you can choose only bangs and you're going to apply the same pink color and combine it with this one as well, and you're going to choose no bangs and apply the same pink color and put on this microphone, make it white for the first selection and also the second selection. Put on this necklace, make it black, and this necklace make it gold and also black. And then you're going to put on this shoes and make it black and also this gold color. Okay, and then you're going to go to the masculine items and put on this jacket. Okay, for the jacket guys, you can color it like this. You can make it white and gold for the third selection and white for the last selection, and then you're going to make them glitter. And then I'm going to move to the next area. I'm going to put on this belt. Okay, and then we're going to go to this top area and put on this top. And for this top, we're going to make it black. And then we're going to make it glitter. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the skirt area, which is right here, and put on the skirt. And for the skirt, we're going to make it white, and then we're going to make it glitter. And then combine it with this one, and then make it white. And again, we're going to make it glitter. Okay, done. And then I'm going to move to this jeans area and put on this jeans. And for the jeans, I'm going to make it matte, and then we're going to make it black. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to the dressing room and go to the currency items, and then I'm going to put on the sleeves from the wedge set, this one, and then make it white for all the selection. Okay, done. And then again, we're going to make it glitter. Okay, done guys. And then I'm going to go to the skirts item, and from this skirts item, put on this dress or the skirt and make it top only. And then you're going to make it black for the first selection. But for the next selection, you're going to apply this gold color. I forgot something from this area. Okay, you can put on this belt. And I'm going to apply this gold color. Okay, now it's done guys. And this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to recreate Mira from K-pop Demon Hunter with this golden outfit and dress impress without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!